Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how to viral your Reels video on Instagram. So if you think everyone videos is getting viral on Instagram Reels and you are the only one whose video is not getting viral, then this video is for you. So first of all, I will show you one of my Instagram account in which you can see many of my Instagram Reels video is getting viral and I am getting millions, more than millions views in my Instagram Reels. So maybe after seeing this, you can trust whatever the information I am sharing with you. So I will show you on my mobile screen. So this is one of my Instagram page. So here you can see the basic average view. I used to get 50 to 100k, but here you can see 656k views I got in this video. Here you can see 1.2 million views I got in this video, and here you can see I got 1 million views in this video, and here you can see 466k views, 1.3 million. Here you can see 3.1 million views in this video, 2.9 million views in this video. So there are many videos, like here you can see 767k, here you can see 832k. So in many videos I have received more than million views. So the first and very basic thing is whenever you post a reel on Instagram, always select the option as show on profile grid. So this is really very important. And the second thing is like whenever you have posted a real video in your Instagram, and whatever comment you get in your video, try to reply for each and everyone, especially for initially first few hours. See, how the videos get viral is whenever you get a good amount of likes, share and comment in your any video, then there will be a more chances of getting viral. So for example, if you have posted something and you got total 10 comments in 30 minutes, and if you are replying to all those 10 comments, so now your comment will be 20. The 10 comment that you have received and the 10 reply that you did. So your reply will be also count as a comment. So always try to reply to each and every comment as much as possible. So now the another thing is whenever you post a video, always use this 5 golden hashtag in your Instagram Reels video. So these are a key hashtag that you need to use in your Instagram Reels, and you can also add few more related hashtag which is related to your video, which is relevant to your video. Those hashtag plus this 5 golden hashtag always used in your Instagram Reels video. So now the next thing is whenever you have posted something in your Instagram Reels, so just after posting, share that Reels in your Instagram stories. So whenever you post your Reels video in Instagram stories, always try to hide information like mute the audio or cover some part of that video, so make the people to visit to your profile or make your followers to click on that and see your reels video. So don't show those video completely in your stories. Keep the incomplete information and make the content in such a way, make a stickers, add the stickers in such a way that people will feel excited to go to your reel section and check that video. And the another point is like if you have any information kind of video, or if you are trying to explain something in your video, then always try to add a caption or a subtitle in your video. For example, if someone is traveling, or if someone is in somewhere in the classroom or in somewhere where he cannot play or he cannot use a headphone. So just by seeing your video, just by seeing the caption or just by seeing the title, he can understand what you are trying to explain. So always try to add a caption in your in your videos if it is a information kind of videos, if you are trying to explain something, so in this type of video. And the next thing is what should be the duration of your reels video. See, the duration doesn't matter. The thing is, like, if you have posted 5 seconds video, then your main aim should be that your followers should watch a complete video. If you are posting 1 30 seconds video, then your content should be in such a way that your all followers should watch minimum 25 seconds of your video. So if you have a good watch time, then there will be a more chances of going viral. Because if you are posting something and your followers are watching that videos again and again, if your followers are watching that video full, then Instagram will get a notification. They will get it, yeah, this video is very really interesting, people are rewatching this video, people are watching this video completely, then they will suggest your video in explore section. So in this way your video will be suggested in the explore section and your video will get viral. So I hope this video was useful for you. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.